students. Now today we are going to start exercise 6C. In exercise 6C we will start multiplication of monomial and binomial. Monomials means only one term and binomial means two terms. Okay. So how we will multiply monomial with binomial? If P, Q and R monomials. P is a term, Q and R also two terms, and we want to multiply it. So here P is monomial, Q plus R, so it has become binomial. Whenever we will multiply, firstly P will multiply with Q, after then P will multiply with R. So firstly this will become PQ plus PR. In this way we can multiply monomial with binomial. Like there is an example, 3x multiply in bracket 2x plus 5y. That means we have to multiply this 3x with these two terms. Okay. So firstly we have to multiply this 3x with 2x, after then 3x with 5y. So 3x into 2x plus 3x into 5y. Okay. Now 3x and 2x will become 3 2 is 6, x and x square. So this will become 6x square. And this 15xy, 5 3 is 15, x into y, xy. So 15xy, that means answer is 6x square plus 15xy. Next is 3xy plus 2y in bracket multiply with 5xy. That means this 5xy will multiply with these two terms. So firstly 5xy will multiply with 3xy, after then 5xy will multiply with 2y. So 3xy into 5xy plus 2y into 5xy. So this will become 5 3 is 15, x and x will become x square, y and y will become y square. So this is 15x square y square. Plus is plus, 2 5 is 10, x is single, so this will be x, and y is 2 times y and y. So this will become y square. So answer is 15x square y square plus 10x y square. Next is 9 upon 2 x square y by x plus 2y. Firstly 9 upon 2 x square y bracket x plus 2y. So this term will multiply with this x, after then with this 2y. So 9 upon 2 x square y into x plus 9 upon 2 x square y into 2y. Okay. We are multiplying this term with these two terms. Now 9 upon 2 is 9 upon 2, x square and this x will become x to the power 3, and this y is y. Plus is plus, and in this bracket 2 will cancel with this 2, 9 is 9, x square is x square, and this y and this y will become y square. Okay. So this will become 9x square y square, and this is 9 upon 2 x cube y. This is final answer of this multiplication. There is also another example for the multiplication. 7 upon 2x square multiply with 4 upon 7x plus 2. So method is same. Firstly this term will multiply with this, after then this term again will multiply with this 2. 7 upon 2x square 4 upon 7x plus 7 upon 2x square into 2. Now 7 will cancel with 7 and 4 will cancel with this 2. So 2 2s are 4. So what is remaining? 2. And this x square and this x will become x to the power 3, and here 2 will cancel with 2. So what is remaining? 7x square. So answer is 2x cube plus 7x square. Now next question is find the product of s bracket s square minus st and find its value for s is equal to 2 and t is equal to 3. That means we have to find firstly multiplication. After then we will have to find the values of this multiplication of the result. So firstly we will multiply s in bracket s square minus st. So firstly this s will multiply with this s square, so s multi s square, minus is minus, s multi with st. Okay, now s and s square will become x to the power 3, minus is minus, s and s will after multiplication will become s square, and this is single t. So answer is s cube minus s square t. This is result of the multiplication. Now evaluation, that means we have to put value for this multiplication. S is equal to 2 and t is equal to 3. So in the place of s we will put 2, and in place of t we will put 3. So at place of s 2, that means 2 to the power 3. Now at place of s 2 to the power 3, here s is equal to 2 and t is equal to 3. So when 2 will multiply with 3 times, so this will become 8. Again 2 will multiply 3 times, so this will become 8 and multiply with 3. So 8 minus 8 into 3. According to Bodmas rule, we have to first solve this. 8 3s are 24. Now 8 minus 24. After subtraction, this will become minus 16. So this is final answer of this question. That means this is the value of the multiplication after putting s is equal to 2 and t is equal to 3. Next question is simplify the following. Okay, here is also we will multiply, but these are some different type of question, like a bracket b minus c plus b multiply with c minus a plus c multiply with a minus b. So firstly we have to open these brackets. Okay, so a into b is ab, a into c is ac, b with c, so bc, plus and minus minus, b and a is ba, plus c into a ca, plus and minus minus, and c into b is bc. Okay, after then we will see the terms whose are same, like ab positive and ab negative, so this will be cancelled. Again ac minus and ca, this is also ac, so this will cancel with this term, and this is plus bc and this is minus bc, so this will also cancel. That means final answer is 0. Okay, now next is 3x square plus 2 multi x plus 2 minus 3x 2x plus 1. 3x square, 2 into x plus 2 2s are 4, minus is minus, 3 2s are 6, x and x will become x square, and minus and plus minus, 3 1s are 3 x. Okay, now this is 3x square and this is minus 6x square. From this minus 6x square, this 3x square will be subtracted, so this will become minus 3x square, and from this minus 3x, this plus 2x will be subtracted, so this will become minus x, and what is remaining? 4. So final answer is minus 3x square minus x plus 4. Next question is a square b in bracket a minus b square plus ab square multiply with 4ab minus 2a square minus a cube b multiply with 1 minus 2b. So firstly this a square b will multiply with this a, so this will become a to the power 3b. now plus and minus minus. A square is a square, b to the power 1 and b to the power 3, 2 will become b to the power 3. So this is a square b 3. Now ab square will multiply with 4ab. So this is 4 a and a square, b square and b will become b to the power 3. So this is plus 4a square b cube, plus and minus minus. So 2 is 2, a and a square will become a to the power 3 and this b square will become b square. So this is minus 2ab. Now this minus a to the power 3b will multiply with 1. So this is minus a to the power 3b minus and minus plus. Okay. Now 2 is 2, a to the power 3 is a to the power 3. This b and this b square. Okay. Now this is minus 2a cube b and this is single a cube b and this is also single a cube b. So this a cube b, this a cube b and this is also 2a square b square. Okay. Now see again. This a cube b will cancel with this a cube b because this is positive and this is negative. And this minus 2a cube b square will cancel with plus 2a cube b square because b cancel the same terms. Here is also a cube b square, here is also a cube b square. This is positive and this is negative. Now what is remaining? Minus a square b cube plus 4a square b cube. From this 4a square b cube, this minus a square b cube will be subtracted. So this will become 3a square b cube. This is final answer of this multiplication. देखें इसको.